Has the Lunc bull market already started? Hi guys, it's Rocko here. Welcome back to the channel. Lunc could potentially be getting its highest monthly close since November 2022. We've seen pumps before, so we saw a pump end of last year, December 2023. We saw another pump in March, but we couldn't close above this line. If Lunar Classic could consolidate and start breaking above here, I think the bull market will full and truly start. In today's video, guys, I'll touch on news, but I want to focus on the price, guys. Lunar Classic is up about 50% this week. I want to talk about the price. If you want to learn more about the news, there's lots of content on my channel where I touch on the news. I do podcasts, I do weekly quickly roundups. I'll still touch on the key news this video, but I want to focus on the price, and I'll share with you my longer term price predictions. I made a video where I talked about the Lunc price, looking at supply and burns from Binance and potential USTC Repeg. So I want to focus on price most. If you enjoy the content, guys, do hit that like button and subscribe. I am recording this video from Thailand, so I'll try to keep it to 5 to 6 minutes because it takes forever to update. And just put a thumbs up, hello, I hate you Rocko, or Lunar Classic to the moon, because it really helps the algorithm out. We want to have new investors come into Lunar Classic, and we all can do our bit. I'm creating content spaces. A like, subscribe, retweeting, a comment can really help show this to one big whale that does a big buy and potentially start a Lunc bull market season. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. From a technical analysis point of view, if you watch my previous video, guys, I actually shared with you an exact buy in my previous video. Go watch that. I called this live, and that trade worked out really well. So I shared that trade live around a pullback here, and we hit our first target. So what now? In the high time frames, guys, I've mentioned this is a really important level. We've not had a monthly close above this level since November 2022, and yeah, you can argue January closed at the level, so I'm not considering that. You could draw the level slightly higher, but this I've had this line drawn for a couple of years now, and it has, worked. You can see we tried to break above, broke, tried to break above, broke. Could we break out above here? So that is the question. No one knows the answer, guys. I didn't know that this trade that I shared with you was going to work, but from my experience in being in the market, I knew that the odds were in my favor. Same as here. So there is a chance that we fake out and we break down and we have a stop loss or whatever. But if it breaks out, guys, we could pull an XRP style move. We've seen OG coins pumping, XRP, LT, Litecoin, ADA. If Lunar Classic starts breaking out, a lot of the investors from Lunar investors that knew about Lunar Classic will start potentially aping into Lunar Classic. They'll start talking to their followers about it. Oh, I had a Lunar Classic bag. It's pumping now. What's happening, guys? Then they'll potentially find out about Juris. Then they'll find out about Terra and Cat with Hat and other coins. I'll share my technical analysis on those coins as well. So that's the bull scenario for me. And obviously USTC Repeg, Juris protocol, liquid staking, Selenium, all those stuff's going to help, but it is also the price that marketing that Lunar Classic has an advantage of newer projects. They don't have a strong enough community. They don't have people that are already aware of it, like Mario, like Bull BNB, Crypto Lord. All these people already know about Lunar Classic. If they start tweeting about it, it could do really well. So high time frame, I'm expecting consolidation here, guys. If we start breaking out, then we could be heading a lot higher. From a trading point of view, if you look to trade it on the short time frame, I've got a couple of levels drawn here, so maybe this support you could look to buy. I don't really want to see the price of this breaking down again. I talked about this level, it bounced from it. If it starts doing this, then I look to probably buy around 1200s, but hopefully it doesn't happen. A lot depends on Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is below 100k. I would like to see Bitcoin above 100k by end of next week, and Lunar Classic above here, I would get a bag. And if you're just bullish on Lunar Classic, just get a bag anyway. And also, guys, if you enjoy my content, go buy some Juris. Go bet. If you're betting on sports and play games, poker, go use Terra Casino as well. They're supports the channel, and I'm part of these teams trying to push Lunar Classic, and Terra Casino is one of the biggest banner of Lunar Classic as well. In terms of news, guys, Juris airdrop should be happening before Christmas, so if you've been staking with the Juris validator, you should be getting some nice airdrops, some vested token and some also just liquid tokens that you can just sell on us. Hopefully not. There's also the development started for Juris, which is quite bullish. Terra Casino's got lots of offers coming out, guys. They came on our spaces, talked about it. They're also looking to partner with other other projects to bring onto Lunar Classic, and like I've mentioned, they're one of the biggest burner of Lunar Classic. They're also burning cat with hat, which is breaking out into new all-time highs. Another key news I wanted to touch on is the tax to gas. So the simplified tax version proposal is up. That should be passing, and that's going to make it easier for people to come over to Lunar Classic. I believe those are the key news. So again, I'm updating things that I'm part of, the projects Juris, selling the casino, and obviously Lunar Classic. Those were the key updates. In terms of the repeg, the Leonardo ceramic guy didn't join our spaces. He did message and said he'll try to join the next one. Where we are at now, which is slightly disappointing, is that we are waiting to find out about finding a dev. So initially they did have some devs. That's not there at the moment, so they're looking for devs to implement the plan that they've got, and they'll release a technical paper that will help implement the USTC Repeg. Another news, TFL burns. There's no news on the TFL burns. We saw some big burns already happen on the wormhole bridge and stuff, but we haven't had the LFG burns. Hopefully we see those LFG burns happening. I think it was about 1.7 which tweet did I have it on? About 1.7 billion, I think, USTC. Those burns would be really good if we can see that happen. So again, if you guys are on Twitter, go ask them. I try to tweet as well. I think that's all the news covered. There's also other news on order books from Elban. There's Garuda decks. There's a new mobile wallet from HC. There's lots of stuff happening as well. Go check them out. But I just wanted to do a quick random of the news, and I know I'm 6 minutes, so I want to give you the prediction. So could Lunc go to $1? I mainly talk about the market cap. I think it's really important to compare the market caps. Bitcoin market cap, again, I posted this in July, so it's a lot higher now, the market caps, but you can compare it to Lunar Classic. The market cap is not that high. Lunar Classic market cap is almost 1 billion now. The price has doubled, but I think it can still go higher. I think the Lunar Classic market cap can realistically go higher. We can see, Terra Casino, one of the top burners. We need on-chain burn, so meme coin trading, Juris protocol, all these are going to burn on-chain. We want to see more on-chain burns. If Lunar Classic did 100x, Lunc market cap will be same as ETH, but ETH market cap will be a lot higher as well. Lunar Classic is already up 2x. So it's really important to have these utilities to be in the top percent burn. And one of the unique selling points, guys, is the USTC. Yes, these projects, Penguins, Garuda, Terrestrium, and obviously Juris Protocol trying to build this stuff. We're going to refill community pool. All this is going to help. But the biggest, guys, is the USTC. If we can get a USTC Repeg plan going, that's when we're going to see the massive burns. There is an option to do the redomination, but I don't see the benefit of doing a redomination. It's just to make it, a meme coin hype type thing. We could do that in a bull market, but that's not going to be the utility pump that people want. So guys, what I'm saying is we could potentially target 10 billion market cap. We can already see we've 2x and hit a billion market cap since making this post. We've seen Bitcoin, Ethereum go absolutely crazy in a parabolic bull market cycle. I believe Lunc can hit the 0.0025 level, and that's what I'd like to see. And with more burns, like I've said, if Binance is already burning, if we can get like a USTC Repeg stuff going, I think Lunc can go a lot higher. So that's like a long-term prediction. I think in this bull market, 0.001, 0.0025 would be an amazing, and that is almost a 10x, which I'm sure you guys will be happy about. In terms of shorter time frame, we're going to target this Christmas video. I will still try to get a couple of videos out, guys, but again, with traveling, it might be a bit more difficult. I'm just staying in Bangkok. I've got all my setup here, so I'm just creating content, but I will go traveling, so it might be a bit more difficult to create content, but I'll still try to get at least 1 or 2 videos out. My prediction for Christmas, guys, I think the previous high, so 0.00035, 0.00035, or 0.0005 are the levels I'd be looking at. So if we look at this chart, I mean, you could potentially target this. This is the from the Binance chart anyway. These were the highs around here. So 0.05, this was also the weekly high back in October before it came down. I think those are levels you could be targeting at. I've had this magnet there for a while. I've had this magnet there for a couple of months since we broke here. Those will be my shorter time frame targets. Bitcoin could pull back, so we could do something like this, or we could do something like this. I would be happy with either. I will be targeting this, and that will be my next take profit target from trading. In terms of spot back, guys, I'm holding. I want things to go to the moon. Juris Protocol, guys, is breaking out into new all-time highs, guys. That 10k breakout, I did say when testnet is live we should be breaking out. Frag came onto our spaces and he said a 10x. So if you don't have any Juris, if we start breaking back above there, I would look to get a bag. I have already got a Terra bag as well, guys. Terra, if you hold 10k Terra, you could potentially get Selenium airdrops. The mirror protocol, I think that is going to be pretty good. So, and it's literally at support. Hopefully Terra port can get a push. And finally, guys, I'm shilling my bags here. There's lots of other coins, guys. Hot Lady token, Pizza Bee, cookies, go check them out as well. I want to support every project on Luna Classic. I'm being completely transparent here. Go watch my Lunc meme coin videos. I talk openly about coins that I'm holding and trying to push. So Cat with Hat is breaking out into new all-time highs, guys. It's more than 10x since Terra Casino started supporting Cat with Hat. If we can start breaking back above here, guys, I think 500,000 for a meme coin, I think we could easily do, guys. And he's also got other things planned. He could potentially be doing buyback and burns that will help push the price up, guys. That's the video. Again, I tried to keep to 5 to 6 minutes, but I have limited to around 10 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy it, hit that like button and subscribe. And what is your prediction for Luna Classic before Christmas? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much.